Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to secure your Google Pay account. Let's get straight into the video. The first step is to use a strong password. So you got to create a strong and unique password for your Google account that others can't easily guess. The second, of course, is to use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters, and that's going to help you to strengthen your password. The second step, of course, is to enable two-factor authentication. So you got to go to Google account settings page, and then you want to select security from the navigation menu and enable two-factor authentication by selecting two-step verification. And then you want to choose an authentication method such as Google Authenticator or a verification code that's going to be sent to your phone. That's going to help you to secure your account. Now the third step, you could set up a screen lock. So you want to go to your device settings app and then select security or lock screen, and then you want to set up a screen lock such as a pin. You could use pattern, or you could have fingerprints, and that's also going to add another extra layer of security to your account. The fourth step, of course, is to keep your device and Google apps up to date. Now you can regularly update your device's operating system and security patches, and that's going to help you to keep it more secure. You can also keep Google Pay app updated to ensure that you have the latest security features. There are a couple of embedded security features, and you can get that when you update the app and to make sure everything is more secure. The fifth step, of course, is to monitor your account activity. So even though you have all these measures, you still have to regularly check your Google Pay transaction history, because that's going to help you to look for any suspicious transactions or activities that might be going on with your account. The sixth step, of course, is to use a secure internet connection. So you can keep your account more secure by using a secure internet connection when using Google Pay. So ensure that you avoid using public Wi-Fi's or unsecure network. That's going to help you to keep your account a lot more secure. Now the seventh step is to be cautious of phishing scam. So you need to be wary of phishing emails or messages that ask for your Google Pay login credentials as well. And also please note to never click on suspicious links or provide sensitive information to unsafe platforms and stuff. So yeah, these are the steps to keep yourself a lot more secure, keep your account a lot more secure. And I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because that helps out a lot. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.